Joining us is actor turned entrepreneur Samantha. Thank you so much for talking to us. The first season was a success considering how it began to where you've reached was quite an achievement, is what I felt.
You followed it. That's amazing. Yeah, we started off at a great disadvantage, right? We lost our top pick, and she couldn't get a visa. So it took us a while for us to get back up and re-strategize and regroup. Because when you lose your top pick, you are at a great disadvantage. So, but at the end, the team really came together and they won the last few games. So we truly understood teamwork in that aspect, and there's a lot that we learned from the first championships, and we're in a better space this time, and better team. No, good team. I would say the previous team was also great, but this time as well we have a great team, great coach, and we're looking forward.
The name was coined by you, is what I was told. Where did you get this idea? Is it similar to CSK?
Well, when you dream big, you must dream very, very big. So if you maybe name it something close to the giant, one day you will be close. Yeah.
And also, when you look at these leagues, why did you choose Chennai? Is it because
Yeah,
of
I mean, I wasn't even offered Chennai first, but I said that I put my foot down. It's like if I'm not getting Chennai, I'm not doing this. It is very, very important for me to um, buy the Chennai Super Champs because this is home and this is where I'll keep coming back. So everything I do has to have some sort of connection with Chennai, and hence the Chennai Super Champs. I definitely wouldn't have been part of the pickleball league if I didn't get Team Chennai.
now that you're going to enter the second season, are you sort of nervous because you have a huge responsibility, isn't it?
Yeah, I know, I do. I mean, the first season I was terrible because I couldn't even watch even a single match. I would walk away and pace up and down. But this time I promise to do better. I'm going to sit and I'm going to cheer them and I'm going to rally for the team.
When you look at infrastructure, do you think there should be better infrastructure so that you can promote pickleball in a big way going forward?
Oh, I mean, the courts are amazing, and there are courts that are coming up everywhere in Chennai. And even now, the Chennai Open is we're currently the Chennai Open is going on, and the courts are world class level. And thanks to Satyabama for that. This partnership with Satyabama has truly been godsend for us because uh, the players that have played here, they've played all over the world, and they've all come to me and told me that this is on the world stage, which is great for the sport. It's great encouragement for the youth to pick up a paddle, and I think that the point of the Chennai Open is to develop grassroots players, is to encourage local talent, and that's what the Chennai Open is about. And we had more than 500 registrations for a new sport, and that's truly amazing.
In your Instagram post, you said you've taken some of the bold decisions over the last 1.5 years. Is this one of those bold decisions that you
Yeah,
made?
I mean, I think that I have stepped back from endorsing products and instead put money into projects that I truly believe in, the ones that truly align with my purpose. So I think that is a very, very bold step to take. It might work out, it might not work out, but this is where my heart is, and it feels extremely fulfilling to do what your heart tells you to do.
Uh, Choosing between a film and choosing between these businesses, which one is tough?
Oh, tough. I think everything is tough. Right now, I also have Tralala Productions, which is my production company. We produced Shubham, and now I'm producing Mayanti Bangaram. So everything comes with its challenges. It's when you have to uh, play the actor and also play the producer. Is I think this is probably the toughest role that I'm currently playing, is being able to you know handle both, being the actor and the producer on set. That's the toughest part. Otherwise, being these other businesses, they really get my creative juices flowing, and it's I'm thriving in it. I'm thriving in the chaos.
Also, viewers want to know, it's been 2 years. They're waiting for your, upcoming projects. Are you waiting for the right content?
I am shooting. I'm currently filming Ma Inti Bangaram, which is a Telugu film. It will release early next year, and super excited about it.
Also, if you can talk about, the nowadays social media talks. They scrutinize every celebrity. Are you getting comfortable with that, or do you think there should be a boundary drawn to whatever is happening?
Not just celebrities. I think that I think that it's there is a lot of hate going around, not just for celebrities, but even for girls, women, students, and I think that it's time that probably these social media. Social media takes it more seriously and starts having stricter rules and regulations. Maybe I think that is the need of the hour.
When it comes to sports, do you want more and more women students, to come forward and learn some sport or the other going forward?
Absolutely. We've already started amazing camps for children, for women, specifically for children and women, and because this is definitely a sport that 50% of women are playing this. 50% among the people playing pickleball are women. So it's truly great when you have a sport that everyone can play. It's not intimidating, and it's building. I think pickleball community is building, growing, and thriving.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate yourself as a pickleball player?
4, but I